Greetings, my name is Ms. Rafani, and today we'll be focusing on photosynthesis, grade 11, life sciences. In this video, we'll focus on the process of photosynthesis, light-independent and light-dependent phases, leaf structures and purpose of chloroplast, importance of photosynthesis, the factors affecting photosynthesis, and common misconceptions, including quizzes. Energy is necessary for all living things to survive. Plants and animals both receive their energy from the sun directly, while humans and other animals get it through the food they consume. Requirements and products of photosynthesis are presented on this equation: 6 molecules of carbon dioxide, 6 molecules of water, plus radiant energy. Chlorophyll and enzymes act as catalysts. Glucose is formed and 6 molecules of oxygen. The term photo means light and synthesis means to manufacture energy. Photosynthesis refers to the process of creating energy through the use of light. There are several requirements for photosynthesis. This includes carbon dioxide, which is absorbed by the leaves. Water is absorbed by the roots. Light energy is absorbed through the leaves. Chloroplast contains the green pigment and enzymes which are located within the chloroplast. Products produced by the plant include oxygen from the leaves, where gas is released back into the atmosphere. Glucose, carbohydrate formed. It is converted and stored as starch in plants or glycogen in animals. Where does photosynthesis take place? In plants, photosynthesis mainly occurs in leaves, which consist of the mesophyll cells and the stomatal pores found on the underside of leaves. Only plant cells consist of chloroplast, an organelle that performs the process of photosynthesis. Thylakoid, a disc-shaped membrane that contains chlorophyll. A starch grain, a glucose produced is stored as starch. A granum, lamella, a stroma, a DNA which contains genetic information, and a double membrane which protects the chloroplast and allows in and out movement of substances. There are 2 stages of photosynthesis: the light-dependent phase and the light-independent phase. The light phase takes place in grana. Light is necessary. Light energy from the sun is absorbed and used for reactions of photolysis and phosphorylation. In photolysis, hydrogen is released and oxygen is returned to the atmosphere. In phosphorylation, ATP is formed. Light independent phase, also known as the dark phase, takes place in stroma. Light is not necessary. Carbon dioxide is absorbed from the atmosphere. Hydrogen and carbon dioxide combine by using ATP to form glucose. Enough glucose is stored as starch. The trees and plants in forests contribute to the production of oxygen as a byproduct of photosynthesis. Cellular respiration converts oxygen and glucose into water and carbon dioxide. Water and carbon dioxide are byproducts, and ATP is energy that is transformed from the process. Several environmental factors affecting photosynthesis include temperature, carbon dioxide, sunlight. Photosynthesis is significant because it begins all food chains or webs, thus all life is supported by this process, and it also makes oxygen gas. The sun is the source of energy for most living things. In terms of photosynthesis in the ecological food web, plants such as grass use energy from the sun to make their own food. The herbivores obtain energy by eating grass, and the omnivores obtains energy by feeding on the herbivores. Most learners may think that plants obtain their energy directly from the sun. The truth is, plants use light energy to combine carbon dioxide and water to form glucose and oxygen. They then use this glucose for fuel. Pause the video and answer the questions below. The process that uses the sun's energy to make simple sugar is A. Cellular respiration, B. Glycolysis, C. Photosynthesis, or D. Photolysis.